Hey all, this is a medium to tough question. This is a ratios question, word problem in ratios. Let's take a look at the question. Three friends, Alice, Bond, and Charlie, divide $1,105 among them in such a way that, this is where the crux of the question is, if $10, 20, and 15 are removed from the sums that Alice, Bond, and Charlie received, respectively, then the share of the sums that they got will be in the ratio 11:18:24. Let's make sense of this in the next slide. What we have to find out is how much did Charlie receive, right? Totally, they've got $1,105. So let's just start by assigning three variables. One for what Alice got, one what Charlie got, and one what Bond got. A, B, C, let's say. So the sum of the money that they got, A plus B plus C, is equal to 1105, right? What we need to find out is what is C. What is this ratio given to us? We have a ratio which is 11:18:24. This is not the ratio of the money that they received. It's not A is to B is to C. This is the ratio that we'll get after subtracting three different values from the amounts that Alice, Bond, and Charlie got. How much are we subtracting from Alice? 10. So A minus 10, whatever Alice got, we're removing $10 from it. Then we're removing $20 from what Bond got, and we're removing 15 from what Charlie got. If we've removed this 10, 20, and 15 from Alice, Bond, and Charlie respectively, then the ratio is 11:18:24. So A minus 10 is to B minus 20 is to C minus 15 is equal to 11:18:24. Right, this is the information given to us. Total sum of money received by them is equal to 1105. If I remove 10, 20, and 15 respectively from A, B, C, the ratio that we'll have of the money that is left with them after removing this is 11:18:24. Right, 11:18:24. Typically, we'll say then Alice had 11K, Bond had 18K, and 24K after we remove those 10, 20, and $15, right? That's essentially what it is. So this is the sum that would be left after we have removed this. So A minus 10 is what Alice would be left with. B minus 20 is what Bond would be left with. C minus 15 is what Charlie would be left with. That should be equal to 11K plus 18K plus 24K. So this is A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, minus 30 minus 45. This is equal to 11 plus 18, which is 29 plus 24, which is equal to 53K. Do we have this information about A plus B plus C? Yes, we certainly have, which is equal to 1105. Let's plug that in here. A plus B plus C is 1105 minus this 45 is equal to 53K is what we have, right? Quickly run through it. The sums of money left to them behind with them after we remove this 10, 20, and $30 will be A minus 10, B minus 20, and C minus 15. Sum of that is the sum of these three parts. That should be equal to 11K, 18K, 20K summation, with 24K summation. That is equal to 53K. Now 1105 minus 45 is equal to 1060. This is equal to 53K. Find the value of K. K is equal to 1060 by 53, which is equal to 20, a round number. What do we have to find out? We need to find out how much did Charlie get. Now let's go back. What do we have as ratio? We know that C minus 15 is equal to 24K. Charlie minus 15. Subtract 15 from Charlie, that is 24K, but the value of K we compute it to be equal to 20. So C minus 15 is equal to 480, C is equal to 495. So how much did Charlie get? Charlie got $495. Check out what the answer option is. Is the correct answer, right? 495, right? Yes, 495 is choice A here. Yeah. So look at the bonus question. Here is a bonus question. Just tweak the information a little bit. DEF divide $1280, right? Slightly different sum of money among them in such a way that if 15, 20, and 17 are added to the sums that David, Emma, and Frank received, then the ratio will be 13:17:22. In the previous question, the original question, we subtracted. In this case, we are adding. So it's a little difference in how you basically frame the ratio, right? How much did Emma receive is what the question is. These are the 5 answer options. Solve the question and post your answers to the comment section of this video. Best wishes for your GMAT preparation.